So before we start our testing, we need to go ahead and install our test container. And test containers is an open source framework for providing throwaway lightweight instances of databases, message brokers, web browsers, or just about anything that can run in a Docker container. For us to be able to use test container, we need to go ahead and install test container. And this means that we need to add test container as a test scoped dependency. And for us to do that, we need to click on this link over here. And once we click on that link, it will take us to this page over here. So you're gonna scroll down to JUnit 5 quick start. So JUnit 4 is an older version. JUnit 5 is what we're gonna be using. So JUnit 5, it's easy to add test container on your project. And for us down here, we have add test container as a test scope dependency. We have Gradle, and then we have Maven. This is when you're using Gradle, and this is when you're using Maven. And because we're using Maven, let's click on the dependencies. As you can see, we have our first dependency here, which is JUnit Jupyter from org.junit.jupyter. Then we also have this dependency over here from org.testcontainers. Okay, and then we also have the last dependency here, which is from JUnit Jupyter, but it's from org.testcontainer. So what we're gonna do is that we'll copy this dependency over here, open our project, then go straight to pom.xml down here, and I want you to go ahead and add the dependencies. So you can add the dependency anywhere. So let me add it down here, just next to JDBC, below JDBC. Okay. So we have this dependency, Jupyter over here. We also have the test container, and also we have the Jupyter over here. Okay. Then I'm going to click on this to load the dependencies in our application. And yeah, that's it.